And also I went to Camp Ramah every summer since I was 1 year old. I mean, I was born in the summer, and the next year I started going to Camp Ramah in Nyack because my mom was a swim instructor there. So my brothers went and I went, and I was in Ghana until I was, 4 or 5, and then I was a camper until I was 8, and then I went to Ramah, Canada. Beyond that, I mean, it was just like all year round. It was like Jewish year every year. Camp Ramah in Canada, which is like 2 hours north of Toronto, is in this beautiful region of mountains and lakes, and it's just incredible nature stuff there. And our Friday night services would be held outside, and there was like this little stage, or not little, it was a stage, and right beyond the stage was like a few trees and the lake. So we would all be sitting on this hill and looking out on the lake, and it was just an amazing way to start Shabbos. And I think those melodies are always the prettiest ones for me, and I think that's why I like going to Friday night services with my mom back in the suburbs, because it reminds me of those times. And that was the time where I really felt like I liked being Jewish. And I was like, this is lovely. This is something that really is meaningful to me. It's a place that I feel comfortable. It's a place that I feel accepted in a way, and I don't feel awkward about singing these tunes even if I don't know all the words.